Hi friends, welcome back. I'm going to show you how I make my hydrating leave-in hairspray. This is perfect for all hair types, especially type 4 hair. This is very moisturizing. Your hair is going to love this. It's pretty easy to make, so let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
I'm going to weigh out my ingredients, and please check the description box for the complete recipe as well as the links to where I purchased my ingredients from. I'm going to weigh out my distilled water. Next is my aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is amazing for both your hair and skin. For your hair, it's going to strengthen your hair. It's going to soothe an itchy scalp and also help to promote hair growth. I'm also using the aloe vera gel. Please do not use fresh aloe vera gel because it's not going to last long in this recipe. So I'm using processed aloe vera gel.
Half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop.
I'm also using honey quartz. This has amazing moisturizing benefits and is also able to penetrate your hair. If you don't have this, that is fine. You can also use vegetable glycerin or honey powder. I'm also using panthenol, also known as vitamin B5. It helps to strengthen your hair and it also helps your hair retain moisture. It has so many wonderful moisturizing benefits that your hair will love. I'm using green tea extract. This is rich in antioxidants and it also moisturizes and smooths out your hair. If you don't have this, you can leave it out or you can use another extract that you prefer. And then I'm using apple cider vinegar extract. You can substitute this with regular apple cider vinegar. This extract helps to balance out your hair and scalp pH. It keeps the scalp healthy. It strengthens your hair as well as helping with scalp itching. So I'm just going to mix this all up until it's well combined. And just a quick reminder guys, I still have my 50% off sale on my website, and I also have my making natural skincare beginner classes. All the information will be in the description box if you want to check that out. I'm using a blend of essential oils. You are welcome to leave it out if you don't want to use them. I'm using lavender essential oil, tea tree essential oil, and peppermint essential oil.
Yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine. Yeah, true passion shines and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost.
I'm going to be using a solubilizer to blend in my essential oils. Anytime you add oil to water, there's going to be a separation, so you are going to need a solubilizer to blend both your oil and water together. I have a video on this. I'll leave the link in the description box if you want to check that out. So I'm just adding in my polysugar mousse. You can also use polysorbate 20. And to this, I'm going to add in my preservative. The preservative I'm using needs some type of solubilizer to blend it into the formulation. So I'm just going to add my preservative into the solubilizer and essential oils.
Ice in my veins. lanes, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say.
So the next thing I did was to check the pH. This is important. You want to make sure that the pH of this hairspray is within 4.5 to 5.5. So when I checked, I came up with 4.53, and I just went ahead and covered up my mixture, and I just let it rest overnight just to make sure everything had settled, the panthenol had dissolved, and the next day this is what it was looking like. And this is what it's looking like. This is such a moisturizing hairspray. I'm just going to package this up, and this made 16 ounces, and I'm going to use this 4-ounce spray bottle, and the shelf life is between 9 to 12 months.
I work hard each and every day.
So you can use this hairspray every day or every other day. It's perfect for your hair and scalp, especially if you have dry, itchy scalp. This is amazing for it, and it's also good at refreshing your two-strand twist, just leaving your hair feeling amazing and well moisturized. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like. Also, please subscribe if you've not, and please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos I upload. And if you have any questions, reach out to me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah.